Did you know there is an amazing element that has many healing properties to your stomach and gut? Stay tuned to learn about it, how to use it, and more. What are the functions of the stomach? The stomach plays a crucial role in digestion. Its primary functions include food breakdown. The stomach mixes food with gastric juices, which contain hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes, breaking down food into a semi-liquid form called chyme. Nutrient absorption preparation. The acidic environment helps in the digestion of proteins and prepares nutrients for absorption in the intestines. Defense mechanism. The stomach's acidity also serves as a barrier against pathogens, preventing infections. What are the functions of the gut? The gut, particularly the intestines, is responsible for nutrient absorption. The small intestine absorbs nutrients from the chyme into the bloodstream. Water reabsorption and waste formation. The large intestine absorbs water and forms solid waste for excretion. Microbiome maintenance. The gut houses a complex community of microorganisms called the microbiota that aid in digestion, produce vitamins, and protect against harmful bacteria. How do they become damaged? The stomach and gut can become damaged through several mechanisms. Diet. High consumption of processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can damage the gut lining and stomach mucosa. Medications. Long-term use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, antacids, and antibiotics can harm the stomach lining and disrupt gut microbiota. Stress. Chronic stress negatively impacts gut health by altering gut motility and increasing inflammation. Infections. Bacterial, viral, or parasitic infections can damage the stomach and intestines. What happens when they become damaged? When the stomach and gut are damaged, several issues can arise. Digestive problems. Symptoms like bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, and acid reflux become more prevalent. Nutrient malabsorption. Damage to the gut lining can impair the absorption of essential nutrients, leading to deficiencies. Leaky gut syndrome. Increased intestinal permeability allows toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and immune responses. Can this affect your nutrition? Absolutely. Damage to the stomach and gut can lead to poor digestion and nutrient absorption, resulting in deficiencies of essential vitamins and minerals. This can manifest as fatigue, weakened immunity, skin problems, and other health issues. Can this affect your fat loss? Yes, an unhealthy gut can significantly hinder your fat loss efforts. Poor digestion and nutrient absorption can affect your metabolism, energy levels, and the body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Inflammation and hormonal imbalances caused by gut issues can also contribute to weight gain and difficulty losing weight. What is aloe vera? Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its medicinal properties. The gel extracted from its leaves has been used for centuries for its healing and soothing effects. Aloe vera contains a rich array of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants, making it a powerful natural remedy for various health issues. What are the healing properties of aloe vera? Aloe vera offers numerous benefits for digestive health. Anti-inflammatory. Aloe vera reduces inflammation in the stomach and intestines, which can help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux, gastritis, and irritable bowel syndrome. Healing and repair. The polysaccharides in aloe vera promote the healing of the stomach lining and gut walls, helping to repair damage caused by medications, infections, and poor diet. Antimicrobial. Aloe vera's antimicrobial properties help balance gut microbiota by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and supporting beneficial bacteria. Hydration and detoxification. Aloe vera aids in maintaining hydration and helps detoxify the body by promoting bowel movements and cleansing the digestive tract. How to take aloe vera to heal the stomach and gut? Incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine can significantly benefit your stomach and gut health. Here's how to do it. Aloe vera juice. Drinking aloe vera juice is one of the most effective ways to consume aloe vera for digestive health. Start with a small amount, such as 1 to 2 tablespoons, and gradually increase to 1/4 cup daily. Ensure you choose pure organic aloe vera juice without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Aloe vera gel. You can also consume fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant. Cut a leaf, scoop out the gel, and blend it with water or your favorite smoothie. Begin with a small amount and monitor how your body reacts. Aloe vera supplements. Aloe vera is available in capsule form as well. These supplements can provide a concentrated dose of aloe vera's beneficial compounds. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label or consult with your healthcare professional. Topical use. While not directly related to gut health, applying aloe vera gel topically can help soothe and heal skin irritations and burns, showcasing its overall healing properties. Dosage. For aloe vera juice, start with 1 to 2 tablespoons per day and gradually increase to 1/4 cup. For gel, begin with 1 tablespoon mixed into a drink. For supplements, could be very variable. Ideally, consult with your healthcare professional. Precautions. While aloe vera is generally safe, some individuals may experience allergic reactions or digestive discomfort. It's essential to start with small doses and observe how your body responds. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and individuals with certain health conditions should consult their healthcare provider before using aloe vera. Understanding the functions of the stomach and gut, recognizing the causes and consequences of their damage, and incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine, you can take significant steps towards healing your digestive system. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, healing the stomach and gut is paramount for maintaining overall health and well-being. The stomach plays a crucial role in digestion by breaking down food, preparing nutrients for absorption, and protecting against pathogens with its acidic environment. The gut, particularly the intestines, is responsible for nutrient absorption, water reabsorption, waste formation, and maintaining a balanced microbiome. When these organs become damaged due to factors like poor diet, stress, medications, and infections, it can lead to various health issues including digestive problems, nutrient malabsorption, and increased intestinal permeability, often referred to as leaky gut syndrome. Damage to the stomach and gut can profoundly affect your nutritional state. Poor digestion and nutrient absorption can lead to deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals, manifesting in symptoms such as fatigue, weakened immunity, and skin problems. Furthermore, an unhealthy gut can significantly hinder fat loss efforts by affecting metabolism, energy levels, and the body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Inflammation and hormonal imbalances caused by gut issues can also contribute to weight gain and difficulty in losing weight. Aloe vera, a succulent plant known for its medicinal properties, offers a natural solution to support gut health. Rich in vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants, aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing and soothing effects. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the stomach and intestines, alleviating symptoms of acid reflux, gastritis, and irritable bowel syndrome. Aloe vera promotes the healing of the stomach lining and gut walls, repairing damage caused by medications, infections, and poor diet. Its antimicrobial properties help balance gut microbiota by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and supporting beneficial bacteria. Incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine can significantly benefit your stomach and gut health. Aloe vera juice is one of the most effective ways to consume aloe vera for digestive health. Starting with a small amount and gradually increasing to 1/4 cup daily can help you monitor your body's response. Fresh aloe vera gel blended with water or added to smoothies provides another way to consume this beneficial plant. Aloe vera supplements in capsule form offer a concentrated dose of its healing properties. It's essential to follow the recommended dosage and consult a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with health conditions or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. By understanding the functions of the stomach and gut, recognizing the causes and consequences of their damage, and incorporating aloe vera into your routine, you can take significant steps towards healing your digestive system. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory, healing, and antimicrobial properties make it a potent natural remedy for improving gut health and overall well-being. Taking proactive measures to support your digestive health can lead to better nutrient absorption, improved metabolism, and a more effective fat loss journey. Prioritizing the health of your stomach and gut is an investment in your long-term health and vitality, enabling you to achieve a better body and optimal health. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.